All right, we got it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna rate it 1 through 10. I wanted to say that. All right, y'all. We're gonna go to Skyline Chili for dinner.
Oh man. Oh, I think that would be a wonderful idea, Princess.
You want to go to Skyline Chili?
No.
Do you even know what that is?
No.
Oh, we're gonna give it a try. What, you don't want to go there? Turn your light on, I can't see you.
You're not making a video about Skyline Chili.
Yes, I am.
Yes, she is.
We've lived in Ohio. How many years? 12 years?
I lived in Ohio 8
And
years.
Skyline Chili is a staple. It's a staple in Ohio. We have yet to try it. We're gonna give it a try on this
I
cold,
lived
cold
in
day.
Ohio.
You okay with that? No, you're not. Drew, you okay with Skyline Chili? Okay. All right.
Skyline Chili it is.
All right. Yes, Joe.
I've lived in Ohio for 8 years.
Yeah, you've been alive for 8 years. All right, we're off to Skyline Chili. All right, so guys, just to give you a little bit more context for Skyline Chili. If you don't know, Skyline Chili is something or a restaurant that is extremely popular here in Ohio. When I first moved here with my sister 13 years ago, however long it's been, almost 12 years, I think. Can't recall. Anyways, when we first moved here, it was highly recommended by everyone to go to Skyline Chili, and that they had the best food in Ohio, and that the way they do their chili is a staple. And so we were like, okay, we went up, we pulled up to the drive-thru because it is a fast food option. We pulled up, we saw the menu, and we drove off, guys, because they serve, first, I'm not going to tell you, drop in the comments, let me know, how do they serve their chili at Skyline Chili? We'll show you guys in a minute, but drop a comment. You gonna survive? Dyson don't like trying nothing that he doesn't think he's gonna eat. He needs enough to get full. Well, let's try it. Thanks, Drew. Find a seat.
I will be your server. I did bring you some menus.
Okay.
So, our signature meal is the 3-way. So, it is spaghetti, chili, and cheese. If you want to make it a 4-way, you can add onions or beans.
Well, I'm gonna go with the most popular.
Yep.
Okay.
And what sizes do they come in?
Okay, so we have a little one, which is a small 3-way. Then we have a regular one, and then the large is about that big.
Oh no.
So a regular would really fill you up, actually. You want a bag? Okay.
So she said that they'll have, what you call it, a chilito?
Yeah.
It's chili, cheese, spaghetti wrapped in the tortilla. Interesting. What y'all getting? What? What'd you say, Joe?
That is the weirdest combination ever.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding.
That's, you know what those crackers are for? Do you know what those crackers are for?
I know these are oyster crackers.
Yeah, but what are the crackers for? You wouldn't know because we don't eat ours like that. What do we eat with our chili?
Fritos.
Or what else do we eat with our chili?
Cornbread.
Cornbread. We don't eat crackers. Daddy eats crackers with his though. Do you like crackers with your chili? No. What do you like with it? Cornbread. All right, y'all. Figure out what you're gonna order. So as she mentioned, the most popular thing is the 3-way, which we'll try that.
Are you gonna try that?
Yeah, I think we'll just get a regular size. We can all try it. We can all try it. But then they have salads. They have wraps, fries, the chilitos, which is what she said, with the spaghetti, and the chili and the cheese. Black bean burrito. Joey, they have a black bean burrito. You might like that. And then they have deluxe burrito. And then they have the cheese conies, the regular conies, chili cheese sandwich, and then drinks. Alright, they also have kids meals. The kids three-way, the kids spaghetti, kids coney, and then the double hot doggy, which is 2 hot dogs in 1 steamed bun. Would you eat 2 hot dogs in 1 bun?
I would eat 2 hot dogs into 2 buns.
Yeah, huh? Alright, let us know if you guys have tried Skyline Chili. What you see, Drew? You good? Oh, Drew's looking at football. Oh, all right, what y'all ordering? So I thought maybe the little bowls were for, maybe they were gonna give us a sample of chili, but just the crackers for now. You want?
Like, you have no
Crackers in the bowl.
crackers.
I know, but I don't want to eat them.
That was on one too.
1946.
Was it founded in 1946? You're reading that somewhere. Yeah, it looks like it's from 1946. It's really old-fashioned in here.
Actually, 1949.
I read on the menu it said he came from Italy in 1946, and the first restaurant was in Cincinnati, Ohio.
First one's in I think I knew that, Cincinnati, Ohio. What year, Dice?
1949.
1949. And what's their most popular dish?
Freeway.
That 3-way. Okay. Now, have you ever had chili on spaghetti?
No. It's a big.
Have you ever had chili on spaghetti, Drew? No, we're gonna try it today. So yeah, y'all, with me and my sister Regina, we laugh at this to this day. We literally pulled up to Skyline. It was probably like our 3rd or 4th day here.
Regina or Cheryl?
No, actually, no, it was Regina. I think it's once Regina moved. Maybe Regina was visiting. I don't recall. But we had just moved here. And we literally pulled up to the speaker, to the drive-thru. And the very first thing on the menu, apparently, was the 3-way. And we were just in shock to see chili on spaghetti. Never, ever heard of that. Never, ever thought that was a combination that you would eat. And we pulled off. I'm like, I'm not eating there. And to this date, this is the first time that I've walked into a Skyline Chili. We're going to try Skyline Chili. So we'll let you guys know how it is. Yeah, I don't even know what those bowls were for. I thought they were going to give us a sample of chili. Apparently not.
Chili cheese fries.
Ooh, I say ooh with that.
Here's your 4-way onion.
That's a lot of cheese.
Yes, it is.
Yours.
That's a lot of cheese, too.
Oh, yes.
That's a lot of cheese everywhere.
That cake's heavy.
Thank you.
Got it?
Wow.
Hot dog. Cheese stone.
Yes.
And then one more.
Y'all, that's a crap load of cheese.
There's cheese on everything.
Cheese. Cheese. More cheese.
And here's yours.
Oh, that's a burrito?
There's a burrito under there.
Oh.
It's just a burrito with the black beans and rice inside
Got
of
it.
it.
So you're going to have to use a
Black
fork.
beans and rice on top of it. And then cheese.
All right. All right, you're going to have to use a fork, Joe.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank
Would
you.
you like some more water, sir?
Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I said that's the face I'm going to make. It's a burrito, Joe. You like beans, though, so I think you're going to like
The
that.
cheese. The
It's
cheese.
just... Joe, what's under there? Where's the sauce? Hold on. There's no sauce? What? The spaghetti don't come with sauce? Hold on, there gotta be sauce under there.
It is what it is.
What do you think about that, Drew? Speak up. Can't have spaghetti. He said the spaghetti sauce is the best part. Alright, well, give it a try. How's yours, babe?
The fork is kind of light.
I knew you were gonna say that. How's your chili cheese fries?
Good.
Are they good? Let me try them. Your burrito's probably
I've
good
tried
though.
mine.
Hmm? I know. Go ahead. You like black. You can't mess up black beans.
True.
You like black beans a lot. You like burritos. Is it good? All right, I'm glad you like it. Let's let me try your chili cheese fries. Yeah, this was like $8 for this. Rated at 2.8.
And do you want to try some of my spaghetti with the...
Yeah, I don't know about this. Yeah, I'm sorry. But, like, that is not chili.
And do you want to try?
That is, like, soup down there. So, let me know if you guys like Skyline. I'm not feeling it. That is soup, not chili. Yuck.
It's soup.
Try it. You like it? Alright, good. Well, Drew finished his off quickly. You want some of this spaghetti over here? Yeah? Alright, you can have mine. Make room.
Hot dog.
I'm gonna eat the hot dog. I'm gonna try the hot dog. I'll save you a bite. What a hot dog at?
Hot dog's inside of the cheese. It's dig inside of the cheese.
What? No, I'm not joking, y'all. But where's the hot dog at? Hold on, Joe.
Ew.
You're welcome.
Yeah, trying to figure out where the hot dog's at. There it is. And it's pale.
What made y'all?
Are you gonna try the burrito?
Mm-mm.
It's basically saying it's nasty, right?
Yeah, she just told us there's cinnamon and chocolate in the chili. It's Chipotle next door. Drew likes that spaghetti though.
Like the spaghetti?
He likes the spaghetti with the chili, you know? So the chili doesn't have beans on it.
You do?
So I guess it's kind of like a meat sauce or meat soup. Drew's eating it. Y'all get good and full. I'm going to Chipotle. Yeah, the waitress also told us that people aren't fond of the chili. It's called Skyline Chili, but people aren't fond of the chili. All right, we got it. We tried it. We won't do it again. Happy Vlogmas. All right, so as a consolation prize, kids get graters, which is also native to Ohio. So they're gonna have graters for dessert. I don't want any though. Thank you, Drew. Now we had to get David Ruffin something. Huh? Dog ice cream.